Hey everybody, welcome back to Live Free and Tool On. Today we're checking out the brushless 20-volt Craftsman. This is sold at Lowe's, and I've been getting a lot of questions. Are these tools worth it? Would you put them on a job site? Are they quality? Well, in this video we're going to prove that. I'm going to do a quick test. I'm going to put this through the ringer to make sure that this can do or perform on anything that you may think that you're going to put this through. So typically this comes with a 2 amp hour battery, so that's what I'm going to be using this on. Here's the specifications for it. Now, the cool things about this, the rubber overmolding feels good. This is actually a really good feeling solid tool, and it's pretty light as well. Now, on the front, you do have a light. This is your task light that is right at the collet, right at the front. This is a 1/4 inch collet, which is pretty typical. Now, something that's cool is that this area right here is plastic, so that's going to be able to take some of the marring, some of the impact out of what you're doing. It does have an area for a belt clip on the sides, but what we're here to do is to test this out, and that's exactly what we're going to do. First, we're going to throw in a 3-inch typical screw, then we're going to do a 4-inch, and then let's kick it up just a little bit. We're going to go with a 5-inch spack, then we're going to hit an 8-inch, and then we're going to actually take this up. This is a 7-inch lag screw. Now these are pretty tough, and we're going to see if we can't knock that out with this 2 amp hour battery. If not, you know, we'll try it with the 4 amp hour battery just to show you the full capacity of what that this can do. So without further ado, let's jump into it. Ooh, that's hot. Don't touch that. Okay, we've taken the battery down just a little bit here. Put these over to the side. We may have to switch over to a bigger battery depending on this big one here. Let's get it started. No pre-drilled holes on this, we're just going to do it raw. Yeah, I dare you to touch that one. Woo, I bet that's hot. Alright, so everybody, that shows you a good demonstration that it sunk this. Now, that's not practical. Typically, you need to pre-drill for a lag. And for the spacks, you know, I was really impressed with that. But that shows the power and the capabilities of this on a 2 amp hour battery. And I've got 2 bars left on this, which is 3/4, 75%. But I took a lot out of this, and I asked a lot of this today as well. So if you are trying to make a decision, you can see what some of the capabilities are on this, some of the practical, non-practical, and I think that this tool will do just about anything that you want to do around your home, and I think actually on a job site this would do pretty well as well. So I hope that you enjoyed the video. I hope that it was informative and it helped you. If it did, please hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you in the next video.